So what do you want to do with your hair?
Crew cut.
Crew cut?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos I want it a bit faded here. But I don't know with my head shape. I think it would be best for you to decide.
So upon checking, medyo lubog kasing dito mo. And then may nakaprotrude na bone dito. And at the same time, dito naman, as usual case with Filipinos, medyo flat. Ngayon, what I can see doing is we could do a taper. Ito, crew cut, meaning itong lahat ng to, mababawasan na to. Delete na talaga siya.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
And then here, shorten natin to, but not too much, may hair pa din. And then yung fade natin will be this.
Okay.
And then sa likod, dahil nga medyo flat yung head mo dito, itong nasa baba, tatanggalin natin so that we can shape your head properly using your hair. Tapos yung dito din, since medyo mataas din yung dito, medyo malaking space natin dyan. Kapag kin-brew cut natin siya, siguro sa style natin siya, medyo naka-forward ng konti, pero naka-side pa din.
Sige.
So are you good with that?
Yeah, I'm good with
Okay,
that.
let's start.
Sige, thank you.